Welcome to the 13th and final Leica CS20 Quick Start video. This video focuses on exporting the data we collected in video 11 into a DXF CAD file, starting with defining the export format and settings. We can begin in the Leica Captivate home screen. From here, we can make sure that the job we used in video 11, my first job, is in the center of the job carousel. We also need to make sure that our USB memory device is inserted into our CS20, as shown here. With the USB device inserted, we can continue by tapping on the job to turn it around and accessing the job menu. Here, we can select to export data and to export a DXF file. We're now in the screen where we can define and create our DXF export. First, we can select where to export to, and we will select USB and its data folder. We can leave the file name as it is, and we could press OK to start the export. However, first we should review how to define exactly what's going to be exported into the DXF. To do this, we press FN and then Settings. The Settings panel gives us various page tabs where we can set what is exported and how. First, we can set which object type should be exported, although we want to leave them all ticked so everything is exported. Then we can go to a next page where we can check some DXF specific settings such as how the lines are exported, our default symbol sizes, and if we want to export a 2D or 3D drawing, as well as what layers we wish to use. We can actually leave most of these settings at their default value as shown here, but the one we will change is the layer setting. Instead of exporting everything to the same default layer, let's select to export items to layers defined by their code. Our final page tab then allows us to configure which labels we would like to be exported alongside our points. For example, we could add a point ID, code, or height as a text element next to our points. So let's do exactly that for the height label. We tap on it and then press edit. We can then choose to export this label, which then reveals all the configuration that we can set, such as the color, the number of decimal places, and the layer to export to. We can leave these as default and press OK to confirm our selection. We can then press OK again to confirm the entire DXF settings and OK once more to begin our export. Once the DXF file is created, we get a summary telling us exactly what data has been exported. We can then press OK to close this summary and return to the home screen. Next, we can take a look at the file and review it. We can view the file from the USB device, for example in a computer, by navigating to the data folder and then opening the newly created file. Here we can see that the created DXF file looks exactly like the area that we surveyed, with all of our points, lines and labels exported as we desired. With the CAD file created and checked, we're finished and this final video can come to a close. Thank you for watching.